Hi guys, this is Larry here. So we got our hands on the brand new Redmi Note 6 Pro. Just to give a little bit of context, Xiaomi actually officially launched in Sri Lanka. They held the official launch ceremony yesterday. So they'll be bringing in a bunch of devices to Sri Lanka. One of them is the Redmi Note range. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it, shall we? The Redmi Note 6 Pro is a mid-range smartphone. The version we got is the Redmi Note 6 Pro Blue version. It's a 64GB one. There's a 32GB version on the same phone as well. Looking through some of the specs here, the phone comes with a 20 megapixel and a 2 megapixel selfie camera. It comes with a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel dual lens in the back, and a 6.26 inch full screen display. And of course, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery as well. So, looks pretty good. It's now time to unbox it. So here it is. This is what you get with the Note 6 Pro. Just looking through the instruction manual here. Suppose dual SIMs, or if you feel like 64GB is enough, you can always set in micro SD here in place of the second nano SIM. Yeah, the rest is all standard. Then you have the power adapter, the normal micro USB. Yeah, and yes, you have the phone in all its glory. This is the blue version, like we mentioned earlier. This is the dual lens at the back, the 12 megapixel and the 5 megapixel, and then of course, yeah, you have this dual selfie camera as well. Yeah, let me just take off the protective covering here. It's off as well. So right off the bat, the phone does feel pretty good in the hand. It's a 6.26 inch screen, like I said before. So it feels pretty good. To be honest, I'm a bit relieved the back is not a glass covering, which has been the trend in the recent past. It is not the case for this phone, but then again, it is a mid-range phone. So yeah, one thing I did actually notice here is that if you take a closer look from this angle, there seems to be a huge bump here. If you take from the inner covering, it's quite noticeable actually. I don't know what's happening there, but oh yeah, actually yes. When you talk about the Redmi cover, I might as well just put it on, right? So yeah, obviously, well, if you put on a covering like this, you're not gonna notice that as much, but just purely without any sort of case, you do feel that. But saying, hey, probably something I could get used to. So I've successfully logged on to the phone. Okay, let's just quickly check the fingerprint. It's pretty fast. Yeah, pretty responsive. Yeah. So this is the UI. So well, yeah, you get the usual bloatware. So the UI here looks pretty good. Just really easy on the eyes. Let's just quickly go to the settings. Alright, so the phone ships with Oreo 8.1. So that's pretty much it for this one. We'll actually be taking a closer look at the Note 6 Pro as our daily driver, so to see how this actually works out. On the surface, the specs look pretty dope for this price range. Oh yeah, actually, speaking of the price range, the Note 6 Pro 64GB version actually comes at a 40,000 rupee price tag, while the 32GB comes with a 35,000 rupee price tag, if I'm not mistaken. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Xiaomi is officially launched in Sri Lanka. Most of their products available right now is targeting the budget and the mid-range market. So whereas you had players like Oppo, Huawei, maybe even Samsung and the other Android players in the market, now we have a new entrant as well with competitive pricing. So it will be interesting to see how this plays out in the near future. Xiaomi obviously is an exciting brand, so should be good. If there's anything you guys would actually like us to focus on specifically, like in terms of the Note 6 Pro or maybe any other devices Xiaomi has to offer. If you like us to take a closer look at them as well, do let us know. If you have any more comments on the video, just let us know. We'll see you guys on the next one.